Here we are, quick video of the lights that I just installed on the Jeep. So first off, we're going to go ahead and start off with fogs. So that's the KC Amber Gravity fog lights, and that's with the headlights on. Standard eBay headlights, A0101, I think. It's high beams, low beams. So I'm going to turn the headlights off, go back to the fogs. We'll turn on the winch light. Still needs to be adjusted a bit, but it throws some pretty good light. Windshield lights, so A-pillar lights. They're a little off. I need to turn them down and out some to give some pretty good light. And then KC Gravity LED bar. Amber covers. This thing is fucking awesome. Lights up everything. And so this is with all of them on. Thanks for watching.